This is a 6-pack solar patio lights, multicolor and warm color, like a 3000 Kelvin that you stake in the ground, get all day sun, 5 to 6 hours to charge, and runs 8 to 10 hours all night long, dusk to dawn. So let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside the box, and get this thing going. An instruction guide, very easy to understand, and everything laid on top, nice and neat. 6 poles, pull out the stake inside. Either side you can simply place on, nice and firm, goes to the ground. Each of the lights comes in a nice cover. The solar panel that you're going to peel off the film protector. Inside here, there's a little strip that you're going to have to take off so it can operate. Simply give a twist, pull the tab up and out. If you ever need to replace the batteries, you simply come over here, release the door. It has a 3.2 volt, 500 milliamp battery. It goes in one way. The light will turn on, dusk to dawn. Close the door. We have a multicolor and a standard color. So when you're ready to set your unit up, pick the color you want. Take the dome. It's all glass, heavy duty glass with decorative. And you have a mirror-like bottom cone. You're going to slide back on the way you're taking off. Twist to lock into place. You're going to place on your bar. You're going to put in your stake and repeat this for all 5 others. You're going to pick a spot in your area and you're going to simply just place on the pole. You don't have to put the actual pole on, you sure do. You can't just put the bottom piece on, we're going to put the pole on, pick a color. Listen to this drop, or this is metal, aluminum. That is awesome. This is really constructed quite well. We're going to place this in a order over there and just wait to see what they look like when they light up. Please check out the information provided. So let's look at nighttime, see what this looks like, multicolor and warm light. We're in the back at nighttime and we have the lights lit up. We have the red, green, blue type, which is the multicolor, and the last 2, which is just the warm color. And it's doing a nice job, as you can see them going from one to the other. And as the light's off, you can see how beautiful they look in the garden. Pathway lights. Now, you can't put them low to the ground because it's meant to be up about 12 inches or more. And they will last from dusk to dawn, doing a nice job indeed. Now they give a nice throw, and what I am going to do is put one down on the floor so you can see the design and the pattern that they give. We're looking from above down. As you can see how they give a nice throw, different colors. And what we'll do is we get nice and close to it so you can see the pattern, the design they're doing. So if you're looking to, again, dress your landscape up, pathway, walkway, front of the house, business, wherever you need to have lights, I hope this is something that you're looking for that may suit your property. I hope this is something that you're looking for to dress up your house. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.